Let's make a Christmas tree. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are going to be making the cutest, most unique Christmas tree that you have ever seen. I hope. I think. Maybe. We're gonna try. I'm so excited. I love Christmas. I love holidays. I love everything. I'm in my Christmas themed outfit. So it's the first time in like 4 years that I have my own Christmas tree. And I was so excited to make something that's like fun and unique and different. So I bought a bunch of stuff from Amazon and I got my tree on sale at the Bay. It's super cute and I'm so excited. I'm gonna try to make this as unique and different while it's still matching my living room because it's gonna be going in that corner. So my living room is very like red themed, but I wanted a more pink and red vibe. Anyways, I got some stuff from Amazon, but I still need to get some other things, and kind of as I go, I'm just gonna figure out what I need because I'm winging it as usual. So we're gonna see how it comes out. Because I kind of don't know what I'm doing. So I'm not sure if I should open up all the branches before or after. Ta-da! So the color is so cute. It doesn't really look that great right now because it's quite dark back there. But it's like this really gorgeous like white to pink ombre. At first I was kind of down to get like an all pink tree, but then the ones that we're finding were just too pink and I didn't like that, and I love the tones of this tree. At first I thought, I was like, oh my god, this tree is bare. Like it looks so scrumply. Scrumply? That's not a word. Scrawny? Anyway, but once I opened it up, like it looked a lot more full. My only other thing is that I kind of wish that I got the 7-foot one because 6 feet sounded so big, but now it's not. Like, it's only a little taller than me. I could have done with 7 feet. I could have done with 7 feet. It's okay. I don't have anywhere to store this anyways, so probably best I got the 6-foot one. My idea was to do like a flower tree, but I'm looking at these flowers that I ordered and I'm not happy with the way they look. I find they look very fake, but I wanted to cut off all these green pieces, of course. Maybe we could work with this. I love opening Amazon packages. Oh, sometimes I hate Amazon for this. It's like you think you know what you're getting and then it's just so not what you thought. But it always like still kind of looks like it, but just in like the worst way. Like the way a catfish kind of looks like their pictures. So I got these really cute, colorful roses that I want to put on the tree. Some heart ornaments. These are so tiny, first of all. Oh my gosh. These are so small. This is not what I thought. This is the problem. I don't look at the size. And also, if you tell me 1.5 inches, I don't really know what they're like. I don't have a visual. Like, I need to see it. This is small. I also got them in pink. I want to do like that kind of pink and red vibe. I mean, I'm not trying to fully put so many ornaments on the tree, but that's kind of disappointing. I wanted them to be bigger. Why is this happening to me? I got lights for the tree, but what? Guys. It's supposed to be 33 feet. So here's my logic. I wanted to get like fairy lights because I don't like Christmas like tree lights at all. I find they're so bulky and they make it look ugly. So I wanted like some thin fairy lights. And I wanted to be able to change the color of the lights, like to have them all one color, because I kind of want to do pink lighting. So that's why I chose to go with these ones. But I don't know if this is, this looks very small. Oh yeah, and I also got a box of red roses. But I'm really not happy with the quality of these fake flowers. I don't know. They look like cupcakes. Ugh, they're like, you know what that is, but I can't think of it. Alright, so I'm currently at the point where I hate my tree. So there's two ways you can go with this. It's either you just keep adding till it looks nice, or you remove and get a better plan. So I'm gonna do a trip to Michael's because I'm definitely missing some things, and Fabricville, and yeah, we're gonna see what we can come up with to make this nice. So I got a bunch of flowers, and what I love about these ones is they kind of look like they have snow on them, which I think is really cute. And these ones too have like diamonds. So I might just do a pink tree. I haven't decided yet, but I just find these flowers look a lot better than the ones that I have on the tree right now. These just look like paper and I don't love them. And then I also got some tulle and some like pearls. Okay, so I'm just adding like a bunch of things. I added these really cute rose gold sparkly kind of leaves. So I removed all of the red things that I had on before. Well, actually all of like the Amazon things except for these colorful flowers and the ornaments. But I haven't decided if I want to keep the colorful flowers yet. But I think it's looking cuter. And I really love these flowers from Michael's. Michael's is always the best. Okay, so just to give you guys an idea, I cut the flowers off of the stems and then I just kind of stick them into the tree. And now I'm putting in these pearls. So this is how they come. And I'm just kind of cutting each thing, folding it in half, and then I have this folded in half. And now I'm just going to surround my flower. Okay, so now I'm gonna put, I got this like tulle, and I'm gonna try, it's really pretty because it has like these little sparkles on it. So I think that's gonna be so nice. So the tulle ribbon made such a pretty effect because it's like making these sparkles, and the lighting is horrible, but the tree looks very, very good. So my favorite thing that I picked up at Fabricville, and which just shedded all over me, is this fluffy white fabric, because I thought it would be so cute to use as like a tree cover to go under here where there's all that stuff that fell. I just bought about 3/4 meters. So I don't want to cut it in a circle because I feel like it's just wasting too much of it. So I'm just going to keep it as a square, and I'm going to cut a line down the middle, and so that I can fit it kind of around the tree and then just place it. So I think it's going to look really cute. Okay guys, I'm in a pickle because I have these lights, little snowflake lights, that are so cute. I've had them for forever. Ignore the way that they're put on right now because I just kind of threw them on the tree to see what it would look like. But this is a better example. They're like super cute, and I like them because they're not like your traditional Christmas tree lights. However, I can't decide if I should put them in because I just find them a little bit bulky. So I'm not sure, and I wish you guys could tell me, but I think I'm gonna have to make this decision by myself. So I think it was a success. In the end, I didn't end up using a lot of the stuff that I got from Amazon. The things that I got from Michael's were just much better quality and looked way cuter. So I'm very happy with the way it came out. It looks stunning and it's a really nice pop to my living room because I do have a quite dark and red living room. So I think the pink makes a nice contrast. I hope that you guys either got inspired to make your own unique tree or just enjoyed watching this video. And if so, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And happy holidays!